you're still at school. Oh, hi, Ducky. Oh, how are you? You're a good girl. Hey, since how the twins aren't here, you want to play a game with me? Tag, you're it. Got me. Good job. Oh, Ducky, come here. You're so sweet. I wish the twins were here so we could play hide and seek. I have an idea. Hi, Olaf. Do you want to play hide and seek with Ducky and I? Okay, Ducky, come over here. You're going to count and we're going to hide. Ready? Sit. Sit. Wait. All right, come on. Good girl. Aw, and you found Olaf too. Good girl. Oh, are you tired? Do you need a nap? Here, come on. Go lay down. Go lay down. Good girl. Take a nap. Thanks for playing, Olaf. Time to send you back to Arendelle. Bye. Thanks for playing with me, Ducky. Oh.